Okay, class. Today we'll be learning how to dissect an apple. First, what you want to do is make sure that you take the stem out. Take one slice and you want to flip it. After you flip it, you're going to drop it. And it falls from the gravity of Newton's law. Then after it's finished coagulating, you want to take the orange and make sure that it's in conjunction with the watermelon. Splice both very carefully as you take your tools and your magnifying glass. You take your water with the propane tank as you light the fire. Take a dab of Vaseline and rub it on the bottom of your shoe. You want to go ahead and take your pen, crack the pistachios, spread the baby powder. Not all grapes are used for wine.
What was that noise? What noise? It sounded like, Nah, man, I didn't hear anything.
Gentlemen, you know my rules. No eating, no talking.
You are also aware of the consequences.
Bro, is that your stomach? Bro, you hungry? Hold on. I got you, man. Hold on. Hey, you. Yeah, you. You mess with this content? Punch that goddamn like button and subscribe for more content. You heard?